Oh, Storm, you on your way? I'm ready. I want to get this hearing over and my children home where they belong.
I'm just about to check on them.
The kids aren't going to be at the hearing, are they?
Well, I don't think that would be a good idea. You, on the other hand...
Stephanie, I cannot do what you are expecting me to do.
You know, Taylor, this isn't about what I expect you to do. This is about protecting the children. We have an obligation to do that. And therefore, I think you have to testify.
How's your strawberry?
Good.
Yeah. How about you, Hope? You seem kind of quiet this morning.
How long are we staying with you?
I'm not sure. It might take a little while to clean up your mommy's house after the fire.
Is Mommy staying here too?
No, sweetie. But Rick and Bridget are going to come over and play with you guys today.
Hooray! Don't they have to work?
No, they don't. They're going to be playing hooky with you guys today.
Hey, hey, hey! Look at you. Hi.
Oh, I'm so happy
Hello,
to see you.
hello.
You look so handsome in your blue shirt.
Good morning.
Are you playing hooky with us too?
No one is going to be playing hooky until they brush their teeth. Go.
Brush hard. Up and down, up and down.
Hooky? You're not planning on skipping out on this hearing, are you?
Oh, he can't. You're the witness to the fire. He has to testify.
You want Ridge to testify for Brooke?
She wants me to get full custody.
Well, that's not very likely, is it?
I don't know. I just know that Brooke is emotionally in a tailspin, and I don't think we should take the chance that the children will go down with her.
You do realize that Brooke could lose her children here.
That is so unlikely, Nick.
As unlikely as me getting thrown into jail for a murder I didn't commit? Honey, we are talking about the Forresters here, and they manipulate everything. Now, someone has to speak on Brooke's behalf.
Well, you can talk to the judge. You can tell him that you left your lighter there by mistake.
She came to you for help, and you can tell them that she's not out of control, and she's not crazy. She's just trying to do the best thing for herself and her family.
You have to be here. This is important. There's not one lawyer available there. Well, then I'll do it myself if you can't make it. I'll explain it to the judge. Let our supervisor know, okay?
They can't do this to me, Storm. They can't take my kids away.
And I'm not saying they will. I just want you to appreciate what's at stake here, that's all.
And I do. I appreciate what's at stake. More than you, more than anybody. I was here in this home all alone last night. I just want my children back where they belong.
And they will be. It's just important for you to stay focused and stay calm.
Fine. The judge needs to know how important Hope and RJ are to me.
No tears, no outbursts.
I need to defend myself.
That's going to be my job.
I can't just sit there.
Well, that's exactly what you're going to do unless somebody asks you a question. And when they do, I want you to answer directly. Short answers. Don't volunteer any information. And please don't mention anything about Stephanie's alleged involvement in this. It's not important.
If I'm being railroaded, the judge needs to know.
You need to listen to me. You're just going to make yourself look like a paranoid delusional. And besides that, I don't think that's what's going on here. So far, everything is done by the book, and that's exactly the way I want to play it. No shifting blame, no pointing fingers. Look, Brooke, you are an amazing mother. You're fully capable of taking care of your own children, and they're not in any danger. That's our case because that's the truth. Okay? All right. You be strong for us, and I have to get to court, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You take care.
Mom? Oh,
Hey, guys.
You take care of our mom, all right? Hey, Mom.
I'm so sorry.
I just want my babies back.
Ridge let you down, Mom. Just like always.
And siding with Stephanie, not letting you see hope in RJ.
She got to him. And I should have seen it coming. First, how he broke it off with me, and then his interest in Ashley, and Stephanie's influence getting stronger and stronger. I just never thought that they'd try to take the children away.
No one is trying to take your children
Don't
away
have a
from
case, Mom. This is ridiculous.
I know. Storm is taking this very seriously, and so am I.
You don't really think that they have a chance?
you. Bridget, if there is a chance, we should really be there at the courthouse to help Mom out.
No.
Mom, we should talk to the judge, Bridget and I. We can tell him what kind of a mother you really
No,
are.
I want you to be there for Hope and RJ.
But if we can help you, then
Honey,
we'd really
you
like...
are. Please. I need you to stay with Hope and RJ. I don't want them to be upset about this.
We will keep them company until you pick them up.
Okay. Thank you.
We're in your corner, Mom.
And we're not the only ones.
Yeah, I know Nick wants to speak on my behalf, and Taylor might as well, too.
See? How could you possibly lose?
I should go.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Give Hope and RJ a kiss for me, okay?
Okay. Good luck, Mom.
She's gonna need it.
If it was up to me, I'd be giving Brooke's kids back to her right now, but it's not up to me.
Well, Child Protective Services were called in because there were 2 911 phone calls in less than a 24-hour period.
Yeah, well, now it's up to the judge.
And he's going to make a decision based on what? Testimony from Brooke's friends? Her enemies?
Well, I would like to think a judge would make a decision based on facts. I've never thought that Brooke is a particularly good parent. I know the two of you don't agree with me. But here we are. Finally, there'll be a judge here involved, and he or she will make a decision based on what they hear.
Let's try to turn this around. What if it was you? What if somebody was trying to take our baby?
I know what Brooke's going through. It's got to be awful.
Well, then get up on the stand and tell them that. You know that she loves these kids. You know that she's a good mother.
Well, she isn't perfect. No parent is.
Why don't you tell that to Stephanie?
Brooke.
Hey, how you doing?
Oh, probably a little more nervous than I need to be.
You know, Stephanie's involved. You can never be too nervous.
Which is why I'm so glad to have the both of you on my side.
Listen, about that, Brooke, Taylor's having second thoughts about being there.
You're a respected professional. Stephanie used to be your best friend. And you're Ridge's ex-wife. I mean, what's so bad about you supporting me? Unless, of course, you agree with Stephanie.
No, I don't.
That's all you need to say. Taylor, please. Stephanie has Ridge and the CPS woman on her side. I can't go up against them alone. You really need to help me.
Brooke, I know that you're worried about losing your children. Any mother would be, but I'm telling you that the chances of that happening are so remote.
I don't care if the chances are 1,000,000 to 1. If there's a chance that it can happen, I have to do everything I can to stop it.
Well, don't you think Storm would have thought of that? He would have asked me to be on the witness list?
She is right about that.
No, she's wrong. You're both wrong. Stephanie sees this as an opportunity to get me out of her family once and for all. And if she can take RJ away, Ridge's son, then she breaks that tie between us. And you know how badly she's wanted to do that.
You know, Nick will be there, and he'll be able to refute any claims that she has. He'll be able to tell everything he knows about the hot tub incident and that was all an accident. I mean, he'll be there for you.
So Nick's not the issue? Well, that's not why you're reluctant? Because I told you I still love him?
No.
Because I'm not a threat, Taylor. I know that now more than ever. I know how much it hurts to break a family apart, and I wouldn't wish that upon anybody, and I'm sure you wouldn't either.
No, of course.
Oh, you're starting to show. I hadn't noticed.
Well, you've had a few of the things on your mind.
This is a very exciting time for you, and here I am trying to embroil you in my problems. It's too much to ask. I understand.
I really think you'll be okay without me.
Oh, yeah. I'm sure that Stephanie can't take my children away.
Nobody's going to take your children, and I will do everything I can to make sure of that.
I should go.
Well, I'll be right behind you.
Thanks.
If you change your mind, you know where we'll be. It'd mean a lot if you were there.
I'm out.
Hope wins again! Yay! Woo!
Hope is killing it Go Fish right now. Bridget and I are watching Hope and RJ while Mom's at, at court.
Well, how's your mom doing?
She's hanging in there.
Well, Rick, if you need to cancel, it's...
No, it's not that. I just don't know how long a court proceeding like this will take.
Well, I mean, you could always bring Hope and RJ by Insomnia. I mean, they'd love to hear you sing. Unless you want to call CJ and reschedule.
No, I can't do that because that means I forfeit and your duet with Constantine will win.
Okay, yeah, I guess.
No, don't worry. I will be there. Okay, Phoebe, I just can't help but worry about my mom right now.
Is that something I should see?
This isn't a trial, Mr. Logan.
Due process still applies?
Well, your client will have an opportunity to be heard.
Oh, I'm sure. I'm just wondering if you'll be able to hear over the sound of Stephanie Forrester whispering in your ear.
I am not judging this case, Mr. Logan.
No, but you are judging my sister. And I just hope somebody hasn't made up your mind already.
Hello, Dorothy. So, what did Mr. Logan have to say?
You know, lawyers love to hear themselves talk.
Don't underestimate him. He's a very intelligent fellow.
What are you doing here?
Supporting Brooke the way you should be.
You're the reason she's in this mess, Nick, leaving your lighter at her house like that for the kids.
Oh, come on, Forrester. We all know what you and Mommy are trying to pull here.
Look, Brooke, I think you're in a very bad state, and I don't think you're a fit mother right now. And I believe the judge is going to agree with me.
This is a very difficult situation for everyone here.
Not too difficult for you, is it, Forrester?
Just want to make sure Brooke gets the help she needs.
The way you helped her last night? Keeping her kids from her?
Nick is right, Rich. You can't keep the kids forever. I'm gonna get them back today.
May I have your attention? This hearing is now in session. Judge Hillard Friedman presiding.
This is a closed proceeding. While my ruling will be a matter of public record, unless you're here to offer testimony in this matter, I'll now ask you to leave. You're all prepared to testify?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
All right, then. Let's proceed.
So just not in the finger painting mood, huh?
I'll be up in a minute.
Why don't you just go to Insomnia? I can stay here with the kids. It's fine.
No, I want to be here when Mom gets back.
So then you don't think Stephanie will get Mom's custody suspended?
Oh, I hope not.
You would feel a lot better if you were there, wouldn't you?
I just think our testimony would help Mom.
Or not. Once you're up there on that stand and you're under oath, you have to tell the truth. Doesn't matter what questions they ask. How would we explain our family tree? Deacon or Nick?
Well, when you put it like that.
Stephanie could make it sound a lot worse.
Well, I just hope Taylor can counter anything Stephanie has to say.
Come in.
Are you Dr. Taylor Maroney?
Why, yes, I am.
Your assistant said I could give you this.
Oh, sure. What is it?
It's a subpoena. You've been served.
And CPS became involved in this case after the first 911 call?
The minor child, Hope, called 911 after she and her brother, her 4-year-old brother, were left alone all night.
Brooke Logan arrived at home while you and your officers were still on the scene. Did she explain her absence?
Well, she said there was a miscommunication with the sister who was watching the children.
What happened to the sister?
Well, I don't really think the whereabouts of the sister are as relevant as Miss Logan have
Kindly
left those...
testify to what she said, not what your suspicions were. But if you have some reason to doubt Miss Logan's explanation.
The facts surrounding her arrival that morning do concern me, Your Honor. She smelled of alcohol.
Objection. No tests were administered to determine whether my client had been drinking or not, which, for the record, she had not.
And she was in possession of a cocktail napkin on which was written a man's name and telephone number.
Objection. No effort was made to determine what, if any, contact my client had with that man after he'd given her that napkin and spilt his drink on her.
Is Mr. Logan testifying?
You had concerns. But at the time, you let the children remain in the care of Miss Logan. What happened to change your opinion of the situation?
There was a fire in the home.
Your Honor, my client can't be punished for somebody else's carelessness.
2 horrifying incidents in a period of 24 hours. 2 calls for emergency assistance. Your Honor, it was my professional judgment that these children be placed with another caregiver until the court can decide what, if any, danger they might be in.
That's not true. She already decided that's why she took them.
Mr. Logan, does your client have something to say?
No, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor, I
Brooke,
do.
we talked about this, please.
Look, I respect what you're trying to do here. The need for this type of hearing. You're trying to protect children, and I think that's wonderful. But my children aren't in any danger.
No, Miss Logan, if you want to testify on your own behalf, your counsel may call you.
Your Honor, I don't want to waste any more of your time. And I'm sorry that my ex-mother-in-law dragged all of you into this personal vendetta of hers. But the idea that I'm an unfit mother, I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous. I already have 2 grown children. One is a doctor and one is a fashion executive. And they would have been here today, but I told them it wasn't necessary. But I don't abuse my children and I don't neglect them. If anything, I'm the one being abused by that woman, Stephanie Forrester. She wants everybody to believe that I'm mentally unstable and I can't take care of my children. Well, I don't take care of my children the way she takes care of hers. She tells them what to do and how to do it and who they can see and who deserves to raise their children.
Miss Logan, thank you. That's enough.
She's out for revenge,
Counsel,
sir.
control your client.
Yes, sir, Your Honor. Brooke, please sit down.
You have to understand where these accusations are coming from. She's trying to take my children. She's trying to poison them against me the same way she poisoned her son. Please, Your Honor, don't let her do this. Don't let her take my children.